It looks like the Samsung Galaxy S10 is bringing a triple camera for the lens, and we're hearing wide angle. If you are in certain areas of the world, you'll probably be lucky to get even more specifications with the Galaxy Note 9, and BlackBerry may be cooking up something with a lot of battery in it. I'm Jaime Rivera, and it's been a week of Pocketnow Daily. Thank you so much for all your support. I am definitely going to celebrate, and so should you. It's Friday. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals that I'm still not really believing, but it seems to be real. Walmart has a current option where you can get a refurb iPhone SE, in addition to a plan from Straight Talk, where you get up to 2 gigabytes, and this just cost $85. And I've been reading the post. I've been trying to make sure that this is the real deal. So should you. You can learn more in the description. Apparently it is. Now let's talk about iPhones, as you know that I've never really been a fan of iPhones with Intel modems, for no reason other than the fact that battery life is not any better and connectivity is not superior when compared to Qualcomm modems. We have reports that apparently Intel has lost the contract for whenever 5G comes to the iPhone. It seems that Apple is currently shopping around, but then that's the thing. Apparently that's not going to happen until 2020. So yeah, those of you that wanted 5G on your iPhone, it won't happen next year apparently. Now let's talk about BlackBerry. The BlackBerry Key 2 is still one of my favorite phones, regardless of the things I didn't like about it in the review. For those of you wondering what the company is up to next, we have a codenamed Ghost being tipped by none other than Evan Blass. Apparently what's going to make this phone special is the battery. 4,000 milliamp hours on a BlackBerry. With all that power efficiency is going to be awesome, but we'll see if it happens. Now let's talk about Samsung, as we've got some weird rumors that say countries like Netherlands and Netherlands only. It seems that the Galaxy Note 9 will retail in that country with an option for up to 8 gigabytes of RAM, a 4,000 milliamp hour battery, and 512 gigabytes of storage. And apparently that's going to be the only country. We know that Samsung usually launches a more powerful version in Korea, but we're trying to understand why just the Netherlands. Samsung, please. And finally, the hot news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and whatever the name of the other variant is going to be. We hear that there are 3 phones, single camera, dual cameras, and then the third one brings triple cameras, but we're trying to figure out what that third camera is for. According to some trusted source, it'll bring a wide-angle camera that could be between 13 and 16 megapixels, 123 degrees of field of view. There won't be any OIS or any of those party tricks that we already get from LG, but yeah, it is a wide-angle camera, which is awesome in my opinion. And today's question, let me know. I mean, what options of camera performance would you like to see for the Galaxy S10? Because, I don't know, for me, wide-angle cameras are the most useful. They're not the best implemented, but they're the most useful, in my opinion. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here and our most recent episode of Pocketnow Daily down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.